What's up, everybody? I'm Evan Sowers, and welcome to the Nashville Fall Cookout here in Splinter, Tennessee at the Jefferson Springs Recreational Area.
Hi, I'm Kate Callan. I'm the current recording secretary for TWU Local 555, and today we are celebrating all of our 555 agents here in Nashville. Being in the union, I feel that these are people that we work with. We come in, we probably spend sometimes more time with these folks than we do with our actual families, and it's important to celebrate each other, come together, hang out, have some fun, forget about the stresses of work, and just enjoy life for a bit.
This is everything. This is truly what our local's about. You know, it's the friendship, the family, it's the camaraderie that we have with one another.
Being a part of the union, participating in the union, being active with, getting to know these people, fighting for your rights, fighting for your coworkers' rights, and being there for each other is one of the best things that you can do if you're with 555. I always like to tell people, work safe, look out for each other, and make sure that you're taking care of your family. Straight
to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop. Never stand still, that's the motto. Yeah. Brand new bands for the auto. Oh, foot to the ground, full throttle. Big energy for the night like lotto. Damn, y'all talk lots, never this quiet. Life like a Seinfeld plot. Ball full of songs, all of them bombs. Something like a minefield guy. Boom. Get it, tickets running out quick. Bet it, never get it out big. Said it, never had to shout it. They said I couldn't ever do it, okay, how it's
good. It's good to be home, sitting down, breaking bread with our people.
I'm having a great time.
America's Fight Back Union.